Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV. We're here at 9th Cloud Expo Silicon Valley, as is Kurt Schmacher, which means we must be talking parallels, Kurt. And we're probably talking, what, desktop virtualization, I'm thinking?
Exactly right. Parallels provides a variety of desktop virtualization solutions for both the Mac user and the PC user that solve productivity problems that IT professionals, designers, and developers are encountering today. As one example, if I was a website designer, I want to test my website on a variety of versions of Internet Explorer before I release it. Parallels desktop virtualization solutions allow me to put multiple versions of Windows, including even Windows 8, on my machine where I have all my development tools so I can test out that solution before I ship it and fix it if I find an issue. That makes me much more productive as a website developer, for example.
And you've been doing it for a long time.
That's correct. Virtualization is a key product area for Parallels. We've been providing a virtualization solution for the Macintosh for some time now. In fact, our Parallels desktop for the Mac is the best-selling virtualization solution for the Macintosh. And today at this show, we're announcing a new desktop virtualization solution for the PC called Parallels Workstation 6, which provides a similar set of capabilities for the developer, for the IT professional, for the designer who needs to run locally multiple copies of different OSs to get the productivity needs that they require.
So the recurring theme here, Kurt, productivity. That's being driven by the user, yeah, by your customers. That's what they most want, obviously.
Exactly true. Everybody has more work to do today than they have time. And so if I can make somebody's certain tasks a little more efficient, for example, I don't have to leave my desk and go to another machine and boot it up to test an old version of IE, for example. That's really a productivity solution for that individual. Or I want to be able to test my application I'm developing. Does it work in this particular configuration of RAM and OS? I can do that all in a virtual machine very, very efficiently.
And you've been, as I say, solving that problem different ways. Can you see that there's a growth in demand, or is this just something that has always been in demand and you're beginning to fulfill it, or is it a really growing thing?
I think it is a growing thing. We've seen on the Macintosh in particular, the needs of Mac users to run Windows programs on their desktop is not at all decreasing. We did some surveys, and there are over 10,000 different Windows applications that are run by Mac users in our Mac Parallels Desktop for Mac product, and that hasn't been decreasing at all.
So you're in the sweet spot still after all, well, I say after all this time, but Parallels as a company goes back how far?
Parallels goes back more than 10 years, and it has more than 850 employees worldwide. I just finished a press tour going to Australia, to Singapore, and China, talking about our virtualization desktop solutions.
And Sergey is still in charge at the top?
Sergey is still the chairman of the board, that's correct. We have a new CEO, Birger Steen, and we're looking forward to continued growth for both lines of our products, both desktop virtualization and cloud services.
Now, where should I go if I want to catch up with that then? Can I go to parallels.com/cloud?
The best place to find out information about our brand new product, Parallels Workstation 6, is go to parallels.com/workstation. And then you'll find out about that product. You can even download a trial and test it out yourself.
Okay. Well, I know people are going to do this as soon as they've watched that, so let's just say that again. Go to parallels.com/workstations and start from there.